This is the BR3 Sony remote control for Sony cameras. Check online for further details about the models and makes the company offers. We're going to demonstrate and show you the remote control, what you get inside, and how to set up, and what it's about. Aeroglin is the remote control. It comes packaged and protected with a lanyard strap, instruction guide, remote control, and USB-C charging cables. Charging the unit up is plugging in and allowing the unit to charge. Please remove any protective film on the unit. With your Sony camera, simply turn on the unit, go into the menu, Bluetooth, pairing. On the remote control, turn on. It says scanning. Lower right, link pairing. And hit the pairing button to pair. Click OK. Paired. On the unit we have S, a camera, the battery life, and some bracketing. We have a negative, positive, AF on, the bullet record button, the camera button, ZF, C1, on and off, and pair link. For distances that you need a remote control, run your camera. You have a record button that will record, and setting up other cameras and pairing the remote control. With certain cameras and features, we're able to hit the record button, zoom in, zoom out, take a photo, shutter, change the customs and the ZF, and shut off the remote control by a long press. If you're looking for a remote control, this may be something that you're looking for your camera needs of the Sony products. Once again, check online for further details about the makes and models this remote control runs. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.